Isang dakilang araw sa ating lahat. Ito po si Father Anton Pascual, ang Executive Director ng Caritas Manila. And we would like to congratulate all our YSL, Youth Servant Leaders, who will be graduating school year 2025-2026. Congratulations! Una sa lahat, let's thank the Lord for the gift of education that God has given us. Second, let's thank our parents who helped us all the way. Siyempre, ang ating mga tita, tito, ang ating mga sisters sa mga kasama sa simbahan, lalo-lalo ng ating YSTEP team, no? Sa inyong diocese, pasalamatan natin ang ating YSTEP coordinator, ang ating life coach, no? Ang ating mga advisors, at ang ating mga sisters at brothers sa simbahan na sumuporta sa atin, ang ating mga parish priest at ang ating local bishop. No? Let's thank the church, the community. Diba? Sabi nga nila, it takes a village to raise a child. Na ganun din tayo. It takes the whole church in order to help you help yourself and get a good education. We believe that education is the great social equalizer. So, huwag natin kalimutan yan. Ha? Education is the great social equalizer. Kung gusto nating makalaban ang kahirapan, kawalan, kawangmangan, we need education. The right knowledge, the right skills, the right attitude, the right habits. No? Kaya ipagpatuloy natin ang inyong bagong buhay as a graduate. No? Papasok tayo sa ating professional life. But continue your personal discipline, continue learning, no? Yung ating moral integrity, no? Ngayon, daming mga corrupt, no? Sana magpakita tayo ng tunay na mga idealistic men and women. And of course, our social responsibility. Tumulong din tayo sa ating mga kabataang mahihirap, be involved with the church, no? And in our barangay. Continue your growth as a servant leader. Tandaan po natin yan, no? Servant leader, following Jesus Christ, who came not to be served, but to serve and offer His life for the ransom of men. And continue your relationship with the church. Continue to being active, no, in your parish. O kung wala rin, malipat kayo ng diocese, no, ng probinsya, still be active in the church and be part of our Kamasa. Siyempre, yung ating Caritas Manila Alumni Association. No? Hahanapin tayo ng ating mga Kamasa. Join your chapter, wherever you are. Magsama-sama tayo sa ating Kamasa chapter and join us online sa ating mga monthly personality development, sa ating mga gathering, no? Sa ating mga worship. Magsama-sama tayo sa ating Kamasa online at sumama kayo sa inyong Kamasa chapter sa inyong diocese. So congratulations once more sa ating school year batch 2025 graduate, 2026 graduate, no? Ng ating Kamasa YSTEP program, and always pray for Caritas Manila, no? Caritas Manila, na marami pa tayong matulungang mga kabataan to help themselves, prepare them to the future, and be active and responsible and fruitful servant leaders of the Lord. Amen at amen. God bless.